Hey, it's Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, also representing V2 Audio USA. And we're talking about the RAGE6P. Now, there's a version 2 out, which we have the version 1 and the version 2. Not many version 1s left. Version 2. Now, first thing I want you to notice, box size. Why? The version 2 is actually a slimmer mount, but a wider diameter of the magnet.
Interesting.
That gives you easier mounting, but also more, basically, that the motor where you have the magnetism, that's stronger, right? So that helps out. There's a couple other changes too. Higher RMS rating. The version 1 was 120 watts and the version 2 is 175 watts, both for them. The version 1 was a 1.5 inch voice coil. The version 2 is a 2 inch voice coil. Now, also, it's kind of a hybrid because it's a different winding on the actual coil used, which also has a better frequency range. The version 1 was like 90 to 6 kilohertz. The version 2 actually goes up to 13 kilohertz.
Much better than the first one.
Which is almost double, which almost gives you tweeter sound. Okay. Sensitivity went up a little bit from 95.7 to 96.1. And version 2 has a Neo cap, right? So that's on top of the motor, which is kind of cool. So big upgrade. Still only $199.95 for a set. All right, before I go any further, hit that like button, leave a comment. You can always leave one at the end, and always try to share this out. Okay, so I brought both sets here. Now, we're gonna open up both so we can get a side-by-side comparison. Now, in my opinion, the 6P, the 8P, the Rages, best sounding speaker. Just credible output, credible sound. It really will blow your mind. And these little upgrades. Another upgrade was there was a company out there overseas that kept complaining that V2 Audio stole their basket design. Now, there's not many designs you can do with baskets, but we went ahead and made the change anyway. And while we're making the change on the actual basket, made the change on some of the parts because we like to make things better and better. So we have the old version here and the new version. We still have some of the old ones left. Now you can see right away the box is different in size. Why? I told you the mounting depth is shorter and you have more of a diameter in the magnets. You still have the main, basically the same motor force. Now, by it being slimmer and bigger this way diameter, you actually have more force. Let's open up the old one, which sold very well. There's still some left. Beautiful looking speaker. You call it a bullet, a plug, there's all types of names for it. Basically that in there instead of a dust cap helps that frequency response and range. This is a beautiful sounding speaker. All right, then we're gonna open this bad boy. All right, same stuff. You get the screws, you got the V2 Audio. We changed the packaging a little bit. Nothing really different there, but okay. You can see a couple differences here. All right. First thing is the plug is a different shape and size. That's also because the coil is much bigger, 1.5 inch to 2 inch. That makes a huge difference. Okay, the motor's different, the basket's different. You still have your push terminals. I'm gonna turn on the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
Okay, you see how big that is there compared to this one, right? This one looks taller. It's not really that much taller, but it is smaller in diameter because that's a 1.5 inch, where this is a 2 inch coil. So this is much bigger. And then look at the basket design. It's clean looking basket, okay? And then if you look at the original, see the difference? Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this over. Okay, so first thing you do notice is on all the new V2 Audio product, we have serial numbers going on it, which is really cool. Serial numbers are important for us, not just you. Well, come back to me here real quick. Let me explain this. Warranty, serial numbers track that. Let's say you bought this off somebody else. They told you, oh yeah, it's only a month old. Go run the serial number. It was bought a year and a half or 2 years ago. You're out of warranty. Serial numbers are good. We can track those. So there's multiple reasons, not just for us. Okay, so all the new stuff comes with serial numbers on the equipment. And where's the box? Oh, right there on the box. So right away I know this is the newer box, right? Has the serial number. The old boxes don't. This box is slimmer, but bigger in diameter, right? Because I told you that. And you can really tell this way here. Put on the big Jeff cam again. That's because the bullet there. But you can see the difference. This one is shorter, stout. Okay. So really cool. Now, tell me what you think. We're gonna hook these up. I am told, which I haven't heard these yet, but we get better frequency range, better output, and it's more efficient and handle more power, which you put all that together. If it handles more power and it's more efficient, that means when you give it more power, it's gonna get even that much louder, where a non-efficient speaker needs that power to even get to its max. And I like the new basket. So this is pretty slim. Let me just see something here. Right. You're right at 3 inches. I mean, you can pretty much put these anywhere. Okay. Okay, we also have a little bit larger of push terminals. And when I mean a little bit larger, this will probably accept 12 gauge, where these little ones here are only accepting like 14 gauge. So you can put a little thicker wire in there. Yes, this does have the V2 branding here, where the new ones don't, but you're not gonna see that part, but you still have the branding here. Spiders both look the same, but I'm told different winding. Consider this a hybrid, and you can see what they did on the back here. Let me turn this over so you can see it right. Okay, so we're looking at the back schematic. You have the old one, which has the sticker on it. The new one actually has it etched in, as you can see, real nice. Because it's a bigger voice coil, you don't have the porting like we had to do over here, because you basically have this as a vent, huge. Because remember, we went 1.5 inch to 2 inch. Now, we did notice they did make some on the actual engraving. For instance, it's hard to see, but it says 6,000 kilohertz. It's actually 13, so that's wrong. But you do see here 2 inch voice coil. I know it's hard to see. 2 inch voice coil, and you also see 250 watts, 95.7 dB. That's wrong. That's from the old one. It's 96.1. So what it looked like to us is when we got this run done, they kind of mixed the old and the new. The cool thing about it is we're talking about that phase plug. Look how much of a difference they are. Okay, one is taller and slimmer because that is 1.5 inch voice coil, and the new one is a 2 inch voice coil, right? Big difference. So it's a fatter plug. Okay, and then like I said, the slimness, right? We're about the same mounting depth, 3 inches though, but it's basically the magnet's different. The magnet is much wider in diameter, and because of the basket, but they're still the same mounting depth, which is kind of cool. Okay, so the 6P, the Rage is the upper level. You have the Riots, then the Rages. These are the ones that you really want to get loud and clarity. Now the Riots, don't get me wrong, beautiful speakers. They sound good. I run them in my own truck. But these here just have an incredible full range sound, and you can see going up to 13,000 hertz is big. I mean, almost sounds like a tweeter. So we are gonna hook the new one and the old one up.
Heck yeah.
I want to do a side by side so you can see if you could hear a difference, because we should, with the same power, the same song. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey, hit that like button, leave a comment. We're talking about the RAGE6P version 2 and version 1. There's some of these left if you want those. Some people trying to match them up or get the version 2s. So let me get this hooked up real quick, and then we're gonna do a side to side I'll be right back. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Okie dokie, I'm gonna reset the song. I'm leaving it at a low volume because I want you to hear the first big difference is efficiency. I always talk about efficiency. Okay, new, old, right? New, old. Okay, right off the bat, I don't know if you could hear it there, but new, much louder at the same volume, more efficient, which means it takes less power to get to that volume, which also tells me if I give it more power, it's going to get even louder. So, old, new. Okay, other thing, even in a freer environment, I'm already hearing more mid-bass, means it's playing lower, and I'm hearing better highs. Hopefully you could hear that on the video. New again. Old. Okay, so right away, more efficient, fuller range, I can hear a difference automatically. I'm going to turn the volume up just a little bit. You should really hear a difference. Remember, I'm playing full range out of this. New.
Let's go. Roll up to the spot, let the speakers. Big Jeff Audio, yeah, we amps on blast.
Okay, big difference there. Louder, more full range than the older one. Ready? Old.
Power right, voltage never low. When we crank it past the limit, watch the grow. We ain't playing with the volume, we just bring that thunder. Every ride sound massive, make the whole block wonder. Big sound, big bass, no cap, all facts. If you know that I'm only supplying hard. From the loofers to the freeze, about to give you me. When you want a Big Jeff, you gon' feel that beat. Big sound, big bass, no all facts. If you want that rumble,
hands down, it's a night and day difference. And even at that power, which is like half of what these will take. But I want you to, one, the efficiency, which means at the same volume, this is louder. And two, this has a wider range. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. Okay, let's start old, new, old. You can really hear a difference now. We're putting some power. Could test this, maybe 50, 60 watts going to this right now. Huge difference. Old. This almost makes me do the sour face because it's getting such a high frequency compared to the old one. Way louder.
Jeff Audio.
Okay, it's night and day difference here. I hope you could hear that on the video. Wider range, much louder, more efficient than the older one. Because of the 2-inch coil, because of the motor structure difference, because of the windings on the coil, bunch of reasons. Version 2, much better speaker. Now, does that make version 1 bad? No, because version 1 is sold for years. No issues, very happy people in the SQ world and also in the Get Loud world. So, I wanted to show you the differences. I'm gonna turn on the Big Jeff cam again. And then you're gonna see here, phase plug, almost 2 inches. This one is like 1.5 inches. That's because of the coil. Call it phase plug, bullet, whatever you want. So the version 2 RAGE6P's incredible speaker. The version 1's still a beautiful speaker because unless you put them side by side, you wouldn't have known the difference. And that's why I want to set this video up like this. So hope you like the video. I hope you get a set. I think they're $199.95 as of right now for a set. All the B2 stuff is sold in pairs. Tweeters, compression horns in pairs. What I'm going to do real quick, because I just want to do a little extra, I'm gonna take the old one off. We were just doing a video on the new compression horns. I'm gonna show you what happens when you mix compression without even a trumpet or a horn or a plastic with mid-range. Okay, so we're gonna take this. Oh man, crazy. Now, what would set this off even better is a set of tweeters, so you would have mid-bass, mid-range, vocals, and highs, and get the full range of sound. Even though this is playing all those frequencies, this is made to play those vocals, that 500 range. This is made to play all of that. But when you start to say, hey, well, especially with DSP, I want you to play this range of frequencies, I want you to play this range and that range, and you overlap them, you get this beautiful sound. So, speaker. Perfect. That's an awesome setup like that, dude. Okay. Then you go ahead and take this one step further. You put it in some type of enclosure, a panel or something. You actually get better sound. This is all free air, but just to give you an idea, compression horn, and we call full range because we don't have mid-bass, mid-range. They're all full range. So there you go. There are the RAGE, actually the RAGE6P and the RAGE CDR4 compression driver. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio USA. Another video in the books. See you on the next one.